Okay, friends, let's find our packet that says My Government Packet, not the one that has the vocab on it, just the one that says My Government Packet. And we are going to turn to the page, it's the fourth page, where it says, How are the jobs of the mayor, governor, and president alike? How are the jobs of the mayor, governor, and president different? And which job would you want? Now, if you clicked on this video and you didn't watch the video, the first one, you need to go back and watch the first one where I talk about all three of those jobs. Because without knowing about those three jobs, you're not going to be able to answer these questions. So I want you to think about how the jobs of the mayor, the government, and president are alike. What did you hear in the video repeatedly? What was the same about all three? What was something that they all did? Now, I know you might have different ideas than me. You might have the same ideas as me. But I noticed one thing over and over on all those posters, that they all make important decisions. In every one of those slides, they each made important decisions, okay? I also noticed that they all try to solve problems. Now, if you think about it, a community problem is probably not as big as something that's going on in the country, but each one of those jobs, the mayor, the governor, the president, they're all trying to solve problems for their community, the state, or the country, okay? Now, how are they different? I think the major difference is the size of what they're controlling, right? And I think it's important to know the differences. So let's just list them. The mayor, remember, is in charge of the community, and we can just write notes here just to remember. The mayor is in charge of the community. Do you remember the governor? Call it out. Yep, you got it. The governor is in charge of the state. And I'm sure a lot of you know the president. Go ahead, tell me, what's the president in charge of? Or the leader of? You're right, the country. They are all leaders. Well, actually, that goes up here. I'm sorry. This is a difference. Yeah, we don't want to say they are all leaders. On the difference, we could put that up here. They're all leaders. I kind of like that one. They are all leaders, right? The other thing, that one difference I think I mentioned in the video too, was the president meets with world leaders, so he gets to make decisions for the whole world too, or help make those decisions. So that's a big difference. This guy, governor, mayor, they're not doing that. This last part is your assignment, and I'd like you to take a picture of this and send it to me on Seesaw when you're done. I'd like you to tell me which job you would want. Would you want to just be in charge of the community? Would you rather be the governor and be in charge of the state? Or would you rather have the big job of president and actually be in charge of the whole country? So tell me which one, but also give me a because. Like, why do you choose the mayor? Why did you choose governor? Why did you choose president? And if you're not sure, feel free to re-watch video 1 and just check out the job description for each one and see which one would you really like to do. All right? After you write that sentence, and if you need more room, feel free to, oh, the back's not there. If you run out of room, go ahead and write up the side of the page. That's fine. And then send me a picture on Seesaw. All right, friends, good luck.